In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Office error, specifically the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Stdio-L1-1-0.Dll error. This issue often occurs when your system lacks a crucial piece of software called the Visual C++ Redistributable. It's a common problem, but with the right steps, you can troubleshoot it fairly quickly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Microsoft website. This site is your trusted source for the necessary downloads we'll be using. It's safe and ensures you're getting the most updated version of what's needed to fix the DLL error. Once you're on the Microsoft website, you'll need to look for the Visual C++ Redistributable for Visual Studio versions 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and also 2022. You might be wondering, why so many versions? Well, this download is a package that supports multiple editions of software, ensuring compatibility across various applications that might require it. Now you'll see a list of files available to be downloaded. At this point, it's crucial to select the correct file that matches your system type. If your computer runs on a 64-bit Windows operating system, you'll want to select the vcwar-redist.exe file. On the other hand, if you're using a 32-bit Windows system, then go with vcwar-redist.x86.exe. Choosing the right version ensures that your system will properly integrate the redistributable package. After choosing the correct file, you'll go ahead and download it. Once your download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and open it. A setup wizard will launch, guiding you through the installation process. Here, you'll need to accept the license terms. Make sure to read through them if you're interested in the details, and then click Install. The installation might take a couple of minutes. Once the installation process finishes, there's one final step. It's important to restart your computer. Restarting will ensure any changes made by the installation process are correctly applied across your system and help resolve the error completely. After your system restarts, you should be able to open Microsoft Office without encountering the DLL error message. And there you have it. You've now learned how to fix the frustrating Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Stdio-L1-1-0.Dll error. By downloading and installing the correct Visual C++ redistributable package, you've taken the essential steps to resolve this issue. If you followed along with these steps, your Microsoft Office applications should now work smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and remember, most technical issues can be solved with a bit of patience and the right guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips in the future.